What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to crop photos correctly in Adobe Lightroom CC. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you will need will be listed in the description below. After importing photos to Lightroom, you will see them in the photo grid. Double-click a photo to open it. Click on this icon to open up your Crop and Rotate menu, which will toggle this frame around your photo. You can hold and drag the corners or sides to resize and crop your picture. You can also force an aspect ratio, which will not change even when moving these handles. After finding your aspect ratio and cropped, you can straighten your photo using this slider system. In case you wish to reset your changes back, then click on this arrow icon. When you're done, simply press your Enter key to apply your changes. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.